Hello and welcome to this little video. Now this is the second video I'm making on how to use formulas. The previous video was how to use a very basic one. There'll be a link for that down below, and I'm going to make a few more. Again, I'll stick some more links down about how to rearrange and how to manipulate formulas. But here we're going to have a look at a formula which hopefully you should recognize. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. This is the Pythagorean formula. This is one we use to work out the hypotenuse, the longest side, in a right angled triangle. So let's have a look what we've got here before we use it. It's always important when you're going to use a formula to understand what it's actually doing. If you don't understand something, the chances are you're going to make a mistake. You know, if you don't know how to use a hammer, you're going to hit your thumb. If you don't know how to use a formula, the answer is going to come out wrong. So let's have a look at what's going on here. So here's our formula. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. So we can see that what we're wanting to find is going to be over here. At the moment it's squared, but we'll probably want to find c without the square. We'll come to that a little bit later. Here's the triangle we're going to be using. You can see right angled triangle. The A side is 3 centimeters. The B side is 4 centimeters. And as you can see, we don't have a measurement for the C side, which is the hypotenuse. This longer side opposite the right angle. So let's crack on. The first thing you need to do when you're using the formula is always write the formula down. You may have it in your head, you may have it on the question in an exam if you're lucky. But if you don't write it down before you use it, the chances are you will make a mistake, especially in an exam. You know, we all hurry, we want to get things done quick, we cut corners. If we don't have the formula there, then we don't follow that formula properly. We want to keep everything in the right order. Okay, so let's have a look. Okay, so a squared. Well, a is 3, so a squared is 3 times 3. So let's put our value there, which is going to be 9. We bring the plus down because it's in the formula. B squared. Well, b here is 4. 4 times 4 gives us b squared, which is 16. Now, 9 plus 16, probably know it's 25, but don't rush ahead and put the 25 here. We want to keep our letters on this side, and we want to keep our numbers on this side. It just keeps it tidier, and we can see what we're doing in case we make a mistake. So 9 plus 16 at the moment equals c squared. Okay, we keep it simple. So 9 plus 16, like I said just before, that gives us a 25, and that equals c squared. So let's just quickly review what we've done so far. We've taken our values here and we've plugged them into the formula. It's all about taking the information we have, putting it where it belongs, and then manipulating it and using it to give us the correct answer. Okay, so 3 times 3 gave us a squared, which gave us the 9. 4 times 4 gave us b squared, which gave us the 16. We added those together, and that's given us 25. We've added them together because the formula has told us to do so. So 25 equals c squared. So we don't want c squared, do we? What we want is c. So we have to reverse that square. And to reverse a square, we root it. So I'm just going to make a little symbol over here to show that's what I'm doing. What I call a little function box there. And what we do here is we apply that to both sides of the formula. Okay? What you do on one side, you have to do on the other. And that's really, really important. If you don't, your formula is going to be a bit wonky. It's going to be lopsided to one way or the other. Okay? So, root of 25, well, we want what you multiply together to make 25. That gives us 5. And that root there cancels out the square. So 5 equals c. So, the c value equals 5 centimeters. And that's using the formula. So the c value on this equals 5 centimeters. And that's how you use the Pythagorean formula to work out a hypotenuse. I hope you understood that. If you don't, have a look over the video again and play through it slowly. Any questions, drop them down below. And likewise, if there's any other subjects you'd like to look at, again, just leave comments down below. A little like goes a long way. And why not subscribe for notifications? Next time, I'll have a look at how to rearrange a formula. You know, say we want to find a different side on the triangle. Anyway, have a great day. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.